Mr. Chair, I wish I can make a few clarificatory
Later,
questions before
later.
we start. But these are prejudicial questions, Mr. Chair.
Later, let's hear first from principal witness this morning.
No, but these are prejudicial questions,
Okay,
Mr.
go ahead,
Chair.
go ahead.
Foremost to my mind, Mr. Chair, is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb.
Sino ho ba ang sabihin natin worth it o dapat na ikonsidera state witness at maipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program?
At this point, between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez,
Mr. Chair, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No, that's my perspective. That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
You are the
Let's not
chairman
quarrel
of this
here.
committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the...
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise.
Go ahead.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo we are
Away
investigating.
kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still in the
Hearing is suspended.
investigating. Mr. Chair, nag-iimbestiga muna tayo. Ano ba point mo? The point is, an investigator cannot be judged at the same time. Do not judge.
We are not judging.
Ang importante rito is the objectivity, sinasabi ko na sa iyo
Are you trying to steal the show?
No, 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 no. I am raising prejudicial question.
Prevent the proceeding?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Saan huwag kayo magbibigay ng opinion?
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion.
I am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair. Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit gano'n? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are
then
you so
we should not
protective of
judge.
this guy? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba nating i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resolved. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceedings, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings. If you will not allow me to raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Go ahead. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Diklop kasi na-realize niya na mali siya. Can you imagine a judge giving his opinion outside the court saying, I think guilty siya, pero feeling ko lang to ha?